Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and unplugging the amp, safety first. You inspect tubes, speaker leads, input jacks, and the power cord to find loose or corroded contacts. Once done, you measure continuity and grounding with a multimeter to confirm no open grounds or shorted wiring. You also check the speaker cable and guitar jack. These are frequent buzz sources. Make sure to label connections so nothing is reassembled incorrectly, and prepare the work area with basic tools. You now isolate the noise source by breaking the signal chain. Plug directly into the amp, remove pedals, and try the effects loop to separate preamp and power amp sections. Once isolated, you swap tubes methodically if it's a tube amp, replace one tube at a time, and listen for changes to pinpoint a noisy tube. You then inspect and tighten ground straps and wiring on the chassis, measuring resistance to the earth ground. Low resistance equals good continuity. Higher values indicate a bad connection. You complete repairs by cleaning contacts and jacks with contact cleaner, reseating or replacing faulty tubes, and replacing bulging or leaking caps. You solder loose ground connections or implement a star ground to eliminate ground loops. This reduces hum and buzz. Once reassembled, you power up and test at real playing levels, listening for residual buzz. If noise persists, you recheck grounding and swap the speaker cable. As a troubleshooting tip, isolate the amp in another room to rule out external interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.